I got Mr. Holy Shift over here.
Holy shit.
And he's got his Lowrider ST. And you know what's amazing is I haven't seen this bike since all the upgrades that he's done to it, other than obviously on his channel. But this is the first time I'm seeing it in person, and it looks absolutely amazing.
Look at this tour pack, man. You gotta see this.
All right, so 2022, right? 2022.
Lowrider ST.
Lowrider ST in the building. All right, my boy. So tell everybody, show everybody what you did to the bike already. 2022 Lowrider ST in the Battleship Gray. What are your modifications?
Gunship Gray. It has started with Harley.
Oh, is it Gunship Gray or Battleship Gray?
Yeah, they had Battleship in the past, I think, but now it's Gunship. This one is Gunship
it's called
Gray.
Gunship Gray.
Yep.
Okay.
The 10-inch Harley clear. They call it a light tint.
10-inch
windscreen.
Nice.
Perfect.
You get good good wind protection.
Perfect. And I got obviously the Rockford Fosgate audio system. I'm going to let you at the end of this video. I'm going to let you hear it. Thrash and Supply little bar bag over here. I painted these in bronze. They were stock.
Nice to match the wheels.
Yeah.
They match pretty good.
Yep. Then I put Harley, thanks to Harley, sent out flat out bar, engine guard.
Nice.
Right. LEDs, custom dynamics. I kept these. I actually like the orange, but there's LEDs inside. Then we go
hang grips.
Hang grips, yeah. Our friend Nadal, our buddy Nadal, gave me Harley Davidson. I'm not sure what design it is, but new hand grips.
Very nice.
Just installed the SNS.
We've seen
Stealth.
that.
Yeah, just Stealth.
Check out Sandy's video. He just replaced the elbow.
Yeah.
It's nice. Did it say 117 on it too?
It did say 117.
It's nice, but I sat on it too, and it's kind of in your way and hits up against your leg.
Yes.
This one is a lot more low profile. Looks really nice too. SNS.
Right.
Oh, so you changed. Tell everybody you had. What did you have? Mid controls.
I made a forward control conversion.
Right.
There's a whole video about how to do it to get it at the right place, because check out my videos. And I put thrash and supply mini floorboards, really comfortable.
Nice.
Get my nice comfortable position. The big thing is now the
Very
Mustang touring seat, 2-up 2-piece with a backrest. Standard touring 2-up 2-piece with a backrest.
Nice.
Really comfortable.
So it's separate, so you could use this solo if you wanted a solo, right?
Without this, take the pillion seat off as well.
That looks really good.
And the big, I call this a game changer, is adding the tour pack.
Yeah, that looks
nice. The Chop
nice.
Tour Pack by Advent Black gives me so much more storage options for long haul riding. And as you've seen in the back, the custom dynamics LED, all tail light, and also the lay down of the license plate.
I'll tell you, and the paint matches perfectly. Wow. That definitely looks awesome, the way you did that. The storage, I love the back. I love the
even line.
The tour pack, absolutely. Looks really good.
Nice.
Oh, it's lined too?
Lined, and the most important thing,
I like that.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Good stuff.
Can you put a full face helmet in here?
No.
Oh, it can't.
Only a 3/4.
Gotcha.
But what I'm missing, John, look, I started my little collection over here of stickers, and I'm missing your sticker.
All right, here we go. Let's get him a sticker. There you go. Go ahead, slap it in there.
I'll put it with all my...
Put it on the front fender.
No, I'll put it right here, like on the mirror, right
there.
Here.
You go.
Okay.
So nice. What else? What's your next steps? So you were talking about I heard the bars, right?
Yes.
Or not the bars, but the risers.
Well, yeah. Let me show the people. Let me show the people. Okay.
Yeah.
Look, I finally this whole thing was in steps, and slow steps till I figure out. First of all, I was going to get the seat and the floorboards to see where my
body position,
my neutral will be. This is my neutral position. Okay. Look at the handlebars. Look how I'm missing like 2 to 3, maybe 2 inches, 2.5 inches over here.
It's got to go back.
So I'll raise this a little bit, maybe an inch or two, and pull it back an inch or two. and then I'm in my neutral position. That's it.
Yeah, I think we went over already because I have the 9.5-inch pullback riser Thrashin by Thrashin Supply.
Yeah, I think that's
but you need I think the 6.5 would be absolutely perfect on this bike.
And a little pullback, just a little pullback, and then I'm done. I'm really happy with what it looks like, what it feels like. Then I can start riding it. So all I've been doing is upgrading and not riding that much.
Right.
So
looks really good.
thank you, man.
But I got something for you because Harley Davidson actually gave me something to put onto the Street Bob, but it's not going to match. It's going to really clash with the bike. So I'm going to give it to you. We're going to do a video right now on it. And what it is it's a high performance Screaming Eagle red wire kit.
Nice.
All right,
nice,
let's see how that looks. As you guys could see that now.
Do I get it installed or I need to install it?
Yeah, we'll install. Let me see how we could get in through the wires. Let me see.
Remove the tank, the fuel tank, or no?
Because I think his bike with right here 10mm fat spark plug wires in red, Screaming Eagle, courtesy of Harley Davidson from me to you.
And you.
But we'll do the video about it, and also we want to know. Obviously, we'll know how they look now. Now you got at least 10 more horsepower.
It feels like
at least.
It sounds like it.
That looks really good with the red plugs.
Really does.
Against the gunship gray. Right?
Yeah, very nice.
That looks really good. That looks really nice. Oh, definitely. Yeah, see the red on the blue, it was just clashing.
It was too much, yeah.
But this looks good. This is just enough touch. Screaming Eagle 10mm thick wires, you know, in red.
Now I look at it, I have enough red contrast. I'm going to switch these back to the smoked dark smoke.
I would.
Yeah, because I have enough.
I personally don't like the
touch. Because this now with the red over here and the red plugs.
Yeah, but the yellow, you have nothing yellow on the bike.
I'm going to take this off.
Yeah.
Take this off.
I think it's clashing a little bit. All right, brother. Thanks for showing the bike. The bike is coming out really, really nice. Looks good. And any other questions or anything, you could head on over to Sandy's channel and check out the videos. Is it okay
if I tell you guys that I'm raffling out a tour pack like that, or any color you actually want? I ship worldwide. All they need to do is go to my website and just buy anything, and they're immediately raffled.
What's your website?
www.holyshift.us. And anything they buy, even a sticker for $10, they're entered into the raffle for a tour pack, and it's shipped out to their house.
For which bike?
Any bike. Anything that Advan Black makes.
Well, that's good to know.
I'm shipping it out to you guys, to the winner.
Hey, that's easy. Buy a sticker, buy a shirt, whatever. And when are you going to pick the winner?
In 2.5 months.
Cool. Yeah. So head on over to the website. That's it from here. And you got a buddy, little ladybug. But that's it from us. If you want to see any more videos on this bike, check out Sandy's channel. Peace out.